Hey guys, good morning. Today we'll be going to get our marriage license and my last fitting for my dress. So it's a pretty packed day today. I will obviously the first part I won't be vlogging much because I'm definitely not putting no camera on in those people place, but the dress for sure. And yep, so let's go. So I'm back home now and I'm about to go do my last fitting for my dress. Everything went perfectly fine with the license. So I'm home now with my baby father, whatever. Can you say hi to my friends?
Yo.
What the
Okay, hey, what's up? What's going on?
y'all? Now how y'all doing? Oh, now is how y'all doing. I can. With the y'all get him because I ain't got time. So I'm waiting on my friend Shar because she's also my bridesmaid. One of my bridesmaids. She's gonna come with me to fit the dress, and yeah. I wish my other homegirl could come, but she has to work today and it's sort of out of the way, but it's all good. It's all good. So yeah, I'll be able to vlog in the car because I have a new car mount. Finally, I thought I broke it, but yeah, I'll catch y'all when I get in the car and introduce y'all to my friend. Hey everyone, this is my friend Shar.
I haven't eaten yet, so I brought pretzels.
Oh good, you can eat because I ain't hungry. I had breakfast this morning. That's good. Alright guys, so damn, my car tore up dirty. We're heading now.
Alrighty. Hey guys, I'm Mesha's friend. My name's Shar. I'm here at the wedding venue, or not the wedding venue, but the bridal shop that we're purchasing her dresses at. She's currently trying on her dress, and might I say, it's a very beautiful.
Oh yeah? Yeah, I got a veil. Oh, can I see it?
Can we try on the veil?
Yeah.
Look at her!
I mean,
Give me a princess turn, Shar.
princess turn.
Princess turn.
Just do a little dainty.
Just do a little dainty.
Okay. Yeah, that was cute too. But I have another one now.
Yeah, but that's where'd you get yours at?
David's bridal.
Alright everybody, we just finished up doing her dress fitting, so all she has to do is get all that other stuff arranged, whatever it is. But yeah.
Bye.
That's the end of the vlog. Bye!